Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Today I have a really good video for you guys. I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to do in order to register as a private investigator for the state of California. Okay, I get a lot of direct messages and people asking me questions all the time, and this is one of the top ones, ironically. People just want to know how to register for the state of California. This is going to be one of a 6-part California video series that I'm going to be launching over the next week or so. And so this one part is only on how to sign up as a private investigator. Okay, now with that being said, I do want to start also by saying thank you to all the people who have liked the videos, subscribed to the channel, shared them with friends, even left a PayPal donation. That means a lot. Without any further ado, we're going to get right into this. Okay, right now, what I'm looking at is the Investigator Handbook for the state of California. Okay, one of the things I know you guys have been watching my videos for a while, I always say, is that regardless of the state that you decide to work in, you want to be able to figure out all the ins and outs and the rules and procedures that the state has in place in order for you to conduct yourself in a very professional manner and not have to get your hands slapped and do anything illegal. Now, when it comes to being an investigator in California, they have their own handbook. Literally, the way you're going to find this out is just go to Google, type in unclaimed property California. Okay, go down to the website. I think the exact website address is sco.ca.gov. Okay, in there you're going to find a link. It has the Investigator Handbook. You just click on it. It's going to open up to a PDF where you're just going to want to scroll down here to page 7. Page 7 is where it talks about what you need to do in order to register as an investigator. So I'm just going to read this from the very, very top to the bottom. It says Investigator Guidelines. To register as an investigator/HereFinder, the following hard copy documentation is requested by the SCO before the investigator/HereFinder enters into a contract with potential owners. Okay, a list of employees authorized to represent you, your business, contracting, or office to the public through written correspondence, letters, emails, telephone. The list should include the physical address for the business, mailing address for the business, and the email address of all the employees. Copies of photo identification for all employees, i.e. driver's license, passport, or other photo identification cards. A copy of documentation showing social security numbers to be used, a claim payment or a document. Okay, so you guys can figure all this out and read this a little bit more if you need any more clarity on this. Okay, when I signed up, I just used my EIN number. I know a lot of you guys are going to be saying, well, I don't have an EIN. Can I use my social? And yes, you can use your social when you are signing up. But what I did was this. So this is what they're going to need to see on paper and have it sent to their office, in order for you to register. That's their way to do it. So what you're going to want to do is just right up here. I'm going to start off with the date. Okay. And here's my name. My name is David Wilkerson. Okay. And my business is Blackstone Recovery LLC. Okay. My address is 2281. I'm sorry. Harrison, BLVD, Idaho, 83702. Okay, now this is the date, this is my name, this is my business. Okay, I'm gonna put down my business EIN number. And so that's 9201487. Okay. Now, you guys might not have a business location. Okay. When they say business location, your business location can technically be at your house or at your parents' house. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So when they say that, don't think that you're a fish out of water if you don't have a business location. Okay, so I just put down my own personal address. Beneath that, I'm going to put down my telephone number so they know how to reach me. 208 61. And now let's go over here and let's double check everything. Okay, let's the physical address for your business, mailing address. And you guys, another thing too, the mailing address of your business or whatever you put up here, make sure that's the mailing address that you have access to very easily, because that's where they're going to send the checks to. And that's what's important. Okay. A list of telephone numbers. Okay. A copy of your private investigator's license, if applicable. Just to tell you guys, the state of California does not require an investigator's license, so you won't have to provide that. This is pretty much complete, except for the fact that I need to have a photocopy of my driver's license with it. Okay, now I know what you guys are thinking. Oh my gosh, I don't have a scanner. What am I going to do? Well, on your smartphone, if you guys have an iPhone, you can just go into the notes section, pull out your driver's license, take a picture of it, upload it as a PDF, okay, and then print it off. Once you have these two items, this kind of half-ass makeshift looking registration form along with a copy of your photo ID, you are going to package that up and you're going to mail it right here to the state controller's department. Bam. And that pretty much takes care of your licensing problems when it comes to the state of California. I didn't know any better when I was just getting started. And so not only did I mail it in, but right after I mailed it, I emailed it in. And I had all my contact information down there and everything like that. And they approved me super, super quick. But you guys, California, it's one of the easiest states to work in. They approve everybody. They give you the leads for free. But this right here, this is the very first step in what you guys need to do in order to start working the state of California as a private investigator for unclaimed funds. But yeah, this is part one of a 6-part video, you guys. Do exactly this. In addition to that, I won't say this enough times. Go look at the Investigator Handbook. Print it off, make it a part of your weekly schedule to where you skim through it so you become very, very knowledgeable with just everything that is outlined, not just this. But yes, this was part 1 of 6. Hope you guys found some value in this. If you guys did, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.